Empowering farmers, advancing agriculture. This is crop science.
Agriculture begins with healthy soil. However, over time, the soil gradually hardens, blocking the flow of water. As a result, crops can no longer take root or even breathe. The blocked air and water permeability suppress the vitality of microorganisms, and harmful gases cannot be released. As a result, the underground ecosystem gradually collapses. In order to solve these problems, we developed a soil restoring water using special components inspired by earthworm mucus. The unique biochemical structure of earthworm mucus contains various beneficial effects for the soil. It restores the soil's pores, allowing air and water to circulate freely. The improved physical properties of the soil help crops take root deeply and grow healthily. By applying the principles of enzymes and microorganisms in the mucus, organic matter is efficiently decomposed. This becomes food for microbes and revitalizes the soil ecosystem. As a result of product testing, it was observed that pores were not formed and the soil became tightly compacted in both similar products and untreated samples. In this case, the supply of moisture and oxygen is not properly maintained, which greatly affects the growth of crops. In contrast, when samples containing the soil restoring water were used, the rapid formation of large pores caused the soil to expand, allowing better oxygen supply and ventilation, and showed fast and smooth drainage of water. By rapidly stabilizing soil colloids, it helped prevent the loss of soil fertility. The stabilized soil structure leads to an increase in the CEC value. Treatment with the soil restoring water increased the soil's CEC by 35%, which led to improved soil fertility. By combining with clay minerals, it enhances the soil's ability to retain essential nutrients. And the increased nutrient absorption improves crop productivity. To grow good crops, above all, healthy soil is essential. A drop that brings soil back to life. Achieve a rich harvest through healthier soil.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching.